today's world, society is divided into three sectors: government, business, and non-profit. Historically, they've always been separate. But the world is changing. We stand on the brink of the fourth industrial revolution. New technologies, big data, Internet of Things, augmented reality, robots are changing the way we live, work, and relate to one another. To meet the challenges of the world, poverty, famine, safe and efficient electricity, universal healthcare, quality education, access to clean water and sanitation, it's estimated that we need an additional $2.5 trillion per year. There are non-profit organisations that are able to procure some of the necessary resources and distribute them through the grant programmes, sending capital and resources to those most in need. However, they are at a disadvantage. Their operating models date back to the middle of the 20th century. They're terribly outdated. Add to the fact that these organisations are under immense public pressure. Non-profits are slow and inefficient. Their impact is insignificant. Modern tech companies are efficient and fast. Their approach is data-driven. Their impact is huge. They push progress forward and provide new opportunities. Think of the social media revolution. 2 billion people use Facebook, and their interaction with the world will never be the same. The options available to the user are practically limitless. From another point of view, though, these changes aren't always positive. For example, the consequences of automation, disappearance of entire careers, leading to a decrease in the amount of job opportunities available. Individual professional skills are changing every 3 years, while it takes 4 to 5 years to learn them. This rapid pace of change denies us the opportunity to reflect on many important social processes in the world. Or consider social stratification exemplified through digital inequality. 95% of the US population use the internet, compared to 50% in Asia and only a third of the African population. Feels like philanthropy and technology are two different worlds. Seems to be a dead end. But Philtech has a way out. Philtech bridges the gap between philanthropists and technology. Philanthropists invest in tech startups that solve social issues. Technology gives them tools, statistics, and analytics. Of course, if you have money to spare, you can simply give it to charity. But we think that it would be more effective to build a system that will help in a way that is both measurable and consistent. Teach the world to fish instead of giving it more fish. Philtech companies have many advantages. Their activity can be measured, and their model is scalable. Cost of implementation is low. Technology attracts young people to philanthropy, and the younger generations think globally, changing the game. We have tools and guidelines, but the most important thing is the accelerator. The accelerator is a systemic solution for startups and investors. This is where the magic happens. Let's say you're a startup. We can help you assemble a team, test a sustainable growth model, build a functional version of your product, and ultimately help you find the resources, investors, and partners that you need. If you're an investor, we can help you figure out the optimal philanthropic direction, find a relevant startup, measure the efficiency of your impact investment, and then send you out into the world. Philtech is both a modern digital iteration of philanthropy and the implementation of basic humanitarian ideals into the world of technology. Tech giants like Google or Facebook created the infrastructure of Industry 4.0, built on data, metrics, and advertising. We are creating the infrastructure for Philanthropy 4.0. Philtech believes everyone can be a philanthropist.